towards green energy after completed the thermal power plant, nuclear power plant. Now the third, natural gases power plant. In case of thermal power plant, various fossil fuels are used to generate the electricity. Similarly, nuclear power plant, in that nuclear power plant, we use of various nuclei of atom. The nuclear energy of that atom, and by use of this nuclear energy to generate the electricity. Similarly, the various natural gases are also used to generate the electricity. In case of natural gases power plant, the most important component, that is known as compressor. Second important component, that is known as combustion chamber, and third important component, that is known as turbine. These are three most important components in natural gases power plant. In thermal power plant, we use a coal to generate electricity. Nuclear power plant, we use a nucleus of various atoms to generate the electricity. Similarly, in natural gases power plant, various natural gases are used. Those natural gases collected from environment, now these natural gases are used to generate the electricity. In that natural gases power plant, how to generate the electricity? Same as that of thermal power plant and nuclear power plant. Now in that natural gases power plant, firstly, those air which are present in compressor, compress this air by this compressor, and when air get compressed by that compressor, now this compressed air enters into the combustion chambers. When this compressed air enters into the combustion chamber, those natural gases present in that combustion chamber, now these natural gases get burned in that combustion chamber, and then this natural gases is converted into, it gets compressed, high temperature and high pressure of this natural gas. Combustion of this natural gases in presence of compressed air. Combustion of these natural gases in presence of compressed air. When combustion of these natural gases in that combustion chamber, now this natural gases get high temperature and high pressure. This high pressure and temperature natural gases flow on that turbine. When these natural gases flow on that turbine, now this turbine get rotate, and when this turbine is rotated to generate the electricity, and this electricity collected in a generator, that is known as natural gases power plant. In that natural gases power plant, from these natural gases to generate the electricity, it is a similar as that of thermal power plant and nuclear power plant. But in case of thermal power plant and nuclear power plant, more harmful to the environment. These are more harmful to the environment. But in case of natural gases, now these natural gases less harmful than nuclear power plant and thermal power plant. Less harmful, because in case of natural gases, absence of sulfur. In case of thermal power plant, presence of sulfur. Poisonous gases released in atmosphere. But in case of natural gases power plant, absence of sulfur, and that's why it is less harmful to the biodiversity, less harmful to the environment than thermal power plant. That's why this natural gases power plant is used to generate the electricity. Now these natural gases power plant, nuclear power plant and thermal power plant. These three power plants are known as not eco-friendly power plant, because in thermal power plant generate the electricity, nuclear power plant generate the electricity, in case of natural gases power plant generate the electricity. In these three power plant use the generator to generate the electricity. Rotating of the turbine by use of various sources, those sources which are collected from environment. In thermal power plant we are collected the coal. In nuclear power plant we are collected the atom, and in case of natural gases power plant we are collected the various natural gases. These are known as various natural sources. Those natural sources, those sources which are collected from environment, and by use of that sources to generate the electricity in a generator. But all these power plants are not eco-friendly power plants. These power plants are harmful to the living organism, harmful to the environment, harmful to the biodiversity, harmful to the all living organism, harmful to the plants, harmful to the animals, harmful to the human being, all living organism. Means environment, means biodiversity. First, important things why these power plants do not use to generate the electricity, why these are not known the green energy, because the first important problem created by these three power plant, that is by use of various fossil fuel, petrol, rocket, diesel and coal burning in thermal power plant, the more poisonous gases, harmful gases released in atmosphere. Burning of coal in thermal power plant, various poisonous gases released in atmosphere, harmful gases released in atmosphere. For example, black particles of carbon, carbon monoxide, sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide released in atmosphere by burning of coal in a thermal power plant. And when these poisonous gases, harmful gases released in atmosphere, the atmosphere get polluted, that is known as air pollution. That is a air pollution. When these harmful gases released in atmosphere, atmosphere get polluted, that is a air pollution. First thing, first problem created by that power plants. Now those sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide released in atmosphere, now this sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide combines with rainwater and comes on earth, that is known as acid rain. And this acid rain is also harmful to the environment. When this sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide combines with water to form a sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and this sulfuric acid and nitric acid harmful to the environment, comes on earth by rain water, that is known as acid rain, and causes of that acid rain by this sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide. Those nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide released by thermal power plant by burning of coal. That's why it is harmful to the biodiversity, living organism. This is the first problem created by this power plant. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Then releasing of these harmful gases in atmosphere now increase the temperature in environment. Increase the temperature of atmosphere in environment by this power plant. By use of that natural sources, increase the temperature of atmosphere. This is one of the most important problem created by that power plant. Increase the temperature, acid rain, and harmful gases released in atmosphere. This is the first problem created by that power plant. Now second problem created by that power plant. Those fossil fuels are used to generate the electricity in natural gases power plant, in thermal power plant. After some years, the depletion of that fossil fuels, for example, in case of coal, in case of petrol, in case of diesel, these are known as different fossil fuels, and we use such type of fossil fuels in various power plant. After some years, depletion of that fossil fuels, after some years, it requires prolonged period for generation of that fossil fuels, nearer about 2200 year to 300 year to generate such type of fossil fuels. And when we use such type of fossil fuels, petrol, diesel and coal, depletion of that fossil fuels after some year. That is the second problem created by that thermal power plant. Depletion of various fossil fuels after some year. That is the second problem. And third problem created by use of that power plant. In case of nuclear power plant, we know that nuclear energy of various atoms. Various atoms are used to generate the electricity in nuclear power plant. During generation of that electricity in that nuclear power plant, those nuclear waste released in that nuclear power plant, no disposal of that nuclear waste which are released in that nuclear power plant. It is one of the most important problem created in that nuclear power plant. And second, those nuclear radiations released in atmosphere, in environment, in that nuclear power plant during generation of electricity. Now these nuclear radiations harmful to the environment, harmful to the biodiversity, harmful to the living organism, harmful to the human being, plants, animals and microorganisms. That's why these power plants are not eco-friendly to the environment. That's why we go towards the green energy, that is known as sun energy, that is known as white energy, that is known as water energy. Thank you.